The specific advantages of our automated laminated poultry farming chicken cage equipment are as follows. 1. Frame-type laying hen cage using 2.0 zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy wire welding after molding. Zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy wire toughness is good. To reduce the number of dark eggs, egg preservation cycle is longer. 1250 by 1200 by 680. Each group can keep 192 laying hens. Each only occupy an area of 465 square centimeters. A single grid cage mesh 625 by 600 millimeters. 120 cents a cage frame is more sturdy and more robust. With top net can prevent chickens from eating feces with feces to reduce disease. 2. The feeding trough for laying hens adopts T equals 1.0 mm zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy plate trough, V-shaped trough. 3. Cone valve water dispenser. Special thickened V-shaped water trough can reduce the waterfall feces to avoid the accelerated fermentation of feces. 4. Cage manure plate adopts T equals 1.0 mm zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy plate. At the same time, it has the function of blocking the chickens' heads from reaching out of the cage to cut eggs. 5. Stacked trolley feeder. Feeder box and main beam are made of zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy plate laser cutting and CNC bending. 6. The top track of the overhead crane feeder is made of 2.0 mm zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy plate cutting and CNC bending. 7. Auger feeding adopts 110 soft stringer feeding system, reduce failure rate, convenient maintenance. 8.2021 fixed type egg picker. Using zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy plate laser cutting, CNC bending and become, can control the egg transmission flow, prevent a large number of eggs, concentrated transmission to the egg picker to reduce the broken dark grain eggs. Elevator using egg tray set eggs reduce broken eggs. To achieve the various layers of eggs transmitted to the fixed egg tray to reduce the egg knocking. 9. Cascading manure cleaner, including head and tail part, adopts zinc-aluminum-magnesium plate laser cutting, CNC bending molding. The roller adopts rubber coating process to avoid the manure belt running off. Brand National Standard Motor. 10. Manure cleaning belt bracket. 2 manure blocking boards for each layer, hanging piece, etc. T equals 1.0 mm zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy plate. 11. Horizontal and diagonal clearing manure, horizontal chicken coop width plus 1 meter. Including accessories, the best width of manure ditch is 1.2 meters. Frame welder forming after hot dip galvanizing process. Black thickened manure belt. Special for high level. 12. Microcomputer environment control system. SCOF control 21 fans, 6 water curtains, 1 lighting. Cell phone monitoring, phone alarm, level control. Rotating fans. Temperature linear. 13. Compensation. 400 meters temperature line 1 power protector X005 F X0001 front and rear cabinets X0001 X0001 8 actuator motor 600 millimeters including base X0001 300 meters actuator motor line 100 14.m20 by 0.5 before and after the connecting line humidity carbon dioxide 8-way small window control box, can be backstage monitoring remote operation to facilitate the later debugging. 15. Light poo lighting with dimmer, 98V dimmable, including cables and LED lights, imitation sunrise and sunset. 16. Compartment plate, welded and hot dip galvanized treatment, cage frame compartment beam, zinc-aluminum-magnesium alloy plate production. Our company's poultry automation intelligent laminated chicken cage breeding equipment can be produced for global chicken farm owners to manufacture and install. If you need to establish a modern intelligent chicken farm, please contact us. Our company can provide a full range of services from the construction of the steel structure chicken coop, to the provision of intelligent breeding machinery and equipment to complete the whole process for you with high quality. As long as you give me a dream request, we give you to realize the modern chicken farm from the dream into your reality to realize. Please contact us. Search +86139 1785 6548. Add WhatsApp to get details. Telephone 00852 3069 7009.